Can you smile? Can you smile, Alex? Can you laugh?
Cora
Cora
can
can
laugh.
laugh. I can hear her laughing, yes.
Oh, he's just looking at you, Cora.
Sometimes Alex laughs too. Hello.
Okay, here. Oh, hi, Bill. Oh, hi, Bill. How are you? This is Grandpa's house.
That's right. And baby Alex is having a bottle. What are you doing?
I'm eating banana.
You're eating banana with a fork. You're such a big girl.
I'm looking to eat banana too.
Uh-huh.
I'm looking to eat milk too. Looking to eat milk. Looking to eat milk.
Monkeys drink milk?
Yeah,
Baby Alex sure does.
and monkeys too.
And monkeys too.
I know, I know.
That's baby A. Good job, Cora. One at a time, please. That's it.